Hi friends, today in this video I will show you how you can convert your normal video to 4K HD video. This also works on low quality videos and unsaturated videos. So let's get started. First of all, open the Capcut app and tap on New Project. Now select your video clip and tap on Add. This is the video that I'm going to use. Keep in mind that do the adjustments accordingly. Now, select the video layer and go to Adjustment Options. First, increase the saturation. Now tap on Graphs and invert all the values. Now tap on Save icon and tap on Back. Now tap on Effects. Then tap on Video Effects. Now we will add a blur effect. Tap on Lens and look for blur. Select it and tap on Yes icon. Now expand it from both sides. Okay, we are done here. Now you have to export it. Then I will show you the real thing. Select 1080p and 30 FPS, then tap on Export icon. Now go back to Home screen and tap on New Project. Then select the previous video and tap on Add. Select the video and open the adjustment options. First, adjust the saturation, then sharpness, then tap on HSL and adjust the values accordingly, because your video may be different from mine. Okay, I'm done. Now adjust the highlights and shadows. Then adjust the temp. Okay, tap on the Save icon. Now go back and go to Overlay. Tap on Overlay and import the inverted video. Now align the inverted video and fit it to the frame. Okay, now fit the video to the frame. Tap on Blend option. and select Overlay, then adjust the opacity. Save it, and go back to add another overlay. Go to Stock Videos and select the blank video and import it. Now expand it from both sides. Fit it to the frame or make it bigger. Tap on Blend and select Overlay and adjust the opacity. This is how I like it to be: brighter, sharper, and colorful. I will tell you again, make the adjustments accordingly. Wait, I think I should increase the sharpness a little bit more. Okay, let's export it. I will go with 1080p and 30 FPS. Please like and subscribe for more amazing content like this.